Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix Telegram verification confirmation code not receiving. So let's start. I will share with you some tips that can help you to solve this problem. So the first tip I give you is go to your notifications bar, and then let's select the option that is airplane mode. Let's keep this option about 30 seconds. So after the 30 seconds pass, just press again and then try to open again your Telegram account and send your confirmation code once again. In case this didn't work for you, let's try the next tip. Let's go to settings, then let's go down and let's go to apps. Now let's go to manage apps. Let's start here and wait until all the apps appear. Then let's looking for Telegram. Now that we found the app, just press that one and just press clear data and then clear cache. Now try to open again your app and try to send the verification code once again. In case that this tip didn't work for you again, I recommend you to uninstall the app and reinstall again. In that way the app will be restarted. So I hope one of these 3 tips help you. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.